Tell me about the session that you're chairing in the Nurses' Day.
I'm chairing the Getting the Most from Imaging, which involves a few talks about how nurses can contribute into imaging within the equine industry, and I think it's quite an interesting sort of session for especially the likes of myself, who doesn't really get an opportunity to be part of the diagnostic sort of world. So yeah, I think it'll be quite interesting. And
have you had a look at the other things that are going on the rest of the day?
Yeah, no, definitely. There's the critical care and biosecurity in the morning, which I think will be really, really good. Obviously, being from a hospital environment, being sort of keyed up on the likes of the biosecurity protocol is going to be really helpful. And also, we're really lucky we've got people like Deborah Salon and Stacey Solomon coming over and giving us their talks. So that should be quite interesting.
Are there any of the international speakers you're particularly interested in hearing from?
Yeah, I mean, definitely. There's the afternoon session, the herd health and behaviour. We've got the likes of Bettina Wagner and Sue McDonald coming over. Bettina's going to be talking about PCR, culture and serology and what the difference is, which I think is very important, because I don't think everyone's actually clear on why we do PCR over culture. So that would be quite a good informative session. And also Sue McDonald talking about herd dynamics.
Lynn, what about you? Have you been having a look at the rest of the programme on the other days?
Yes, so Thursday there's the perinatal problems, with talks by Emily Haggett and Ian Cameron, collapsed foal and the hemorrhaging mares would be quite good.
But you can hear from them any day.
Yeah, but sometimes working with them all the time means that you don't sit down and actually listen to what they actually know. Just
ignore them. Yeah, I can see that might happen.
Especially because I was a foal nurse when I first started, so got an interest in foaling stuff. Also on the Thursday there's the analgesia and anti-inflammatories which is quite good, because obviously when you will come to work at hospital you get told what to use, and it's just sort of practice policies rather than actually knowing different ones and trying to use different things. So it'd be good to hear what other people do and other ways you can do it. Friday, again, juvenile medicine, especially things like Lawsonia and diarrhoea. Working in Newmarket, obviously see so many thoroughbreds and so many Lawsonia cases, it'd be good to hear a bit more about them. Less foal stuff, the clinical evidence.
Yeah, what do you make of that? Is that a good idea, the clinical evidence?
Yeah, I think so. It's again, it's things like what we do in practice, but we don't ever know why we do it. So I think definitely it's worth knowing, and it's sort of the people that are speaking about them they do that mostly. So it'd be good to hear what they think.
Great. Anything else you're looking forward to at BEVA?
Seeing people.
The party.
Catching. A few drinks.
Good. Okay. Well, I'll look forward to seeing you there.